This video will demonstrate how to incorporate and manipulate images in your work in RSpace. From Edit mode on a document or notebook entry, you can very easily add any sort of image to whatever text or lack of text you wish. Simply drag and drop the image from your desktop, and this will upload a copy of the file. It will include that file in your gallery as well as putting it in line with whatever text you are working on. Now this object can be manipulated. It can be shrunk, enlarged, it can be centered or justified, centered right, left, and you can even double click it to open the sketch tool. And when you do it in this order, by inserting the image first and then opening the sketch tool from the image becomes a background to which you can add some doodles or annotations, but it can't be moved around, so you have minor limitations into how robustly you can annotate the image. A slightly more flexible means of working with images is to, instead of just dragging or dropping or inserting the image itself, is to use Insert Sketch. You can either use the quick button here or drop down, Insert Sketch, and this will launch the sketch program first. From here, the top right, you have the free draw option for templates or your root image gallery. Now this will open up every image you have in your gallery. You can scroll up and down. You can see I've dragged this image in many times. Simply double click the image, and now it's become an object on the canvas, one that I can shrink and move around. And this way I can add notes, shapes, words, what have you, from any direction, to the left of the image, to the right of the image, above or below. Let me just put this one to the left. I'll overlap it a little just for the heck of it. Let me change the color so it shows up better. I can add a shape to it. I'm going to add yet another one to the left. I'm going to add a square to the right. And what's really fun is I can keep layering and layering and layering. Let's say I wanted to just put another image on top of that. I can shrink it down even further. I'll put it down here. Maybe with an arrow so I know where that image was supposed to be referencing. And now when I hit Insert, this will compile all the work I've done in the sketch tool into a single image. This can then be resized, centered, justified, moved left or right as you need. And that is perhaps a more robust option for using and working with images in RSpace. Instead of simply dragging and dropping the image in, or inserting the image directly from the gallery, select Insert Sketch, and you'll let the sketch tool allow you to manipulate the image before you insert it into your work.